First question. Which organ can heal itself the fastest? Correct answer. Liver. Second question. How many times does your heart beat in one day? Average. Correct answer. 100,000 times. Third question. Which part of the body never stops growing? Give your intelligent answer to this in the comments section. Fourth question. How much of your body is actually water? Correct answer. 60%. Last question. Which organ works even when you're asleep? Correct answer. All of them. How many shocked you? Comment your score. Follow for part 2, Harder Body Facts.